Alright guys, welcome to Impressive Media Solutions. I am Kern Scott and today we're going to do a door controller setup in Ableton Live. Now the controller we are using today or the interface we're using today is the Presonus iostation 24C. Firstly, you'll need to power off the device and restart the device before we can begin. Now remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now with the controller off, you're going to restart the device. And while the device is about to start, you're going to hold down the next key. And what we're going to do is wait for the lights to start flashing. Now we're going to hit the arm key, and that has put it in a mode to work with Ableton Live. Now I'm also going to show you the setup for Studio One, which is very similar. We're going to restart the device, hold down the next key, wait for the knobs to start flashing. But for Studio One, we're going to hit the solo key. Alright guys, now these are the knobs or the button that you will have to press last for your particular door. We're not going to go through all of them, but you're going to follow the same step, and depending on your door will determine which key you're going to press last. Alright, so let's open up Ableton so we can set up the MIDI settings. Alright, so we're going to go to the preferences. We're going to go to preferences to set up the audio interface and the MIDI controllers for the iostation 24C. All right, so preferences. And for Windows, you will use the ASIO and make sure it's set to iostation ASIO driver. So now we know that the device is working. Let's set up the MIDI controller part for the iostation 24C. And we'll head over to the MIDI section. And just like how we have the settings here, do copy it, mark the controller, inputs and outputs, set it to the iostation 24C. Now also next step, you will want to highlight the MPE settings. That is very important. As you can see, as soon as we open a project, the fader button has activated, so it lets us know that the device is being seen. Now let's run through some tests. If we remove the MPE settings, we'll realize we're going to have some problems with some of the control. So it's very important that you do activate the MPE settings. Without the MPE settings, if you would look closely, you would see that the fader is not working. So we will reactivate it. Remember to like, share and subscribe.